Hello students, welcome back to the online teaching classes, Divine Public School, Monapur, Gorakhpur. Today we are going to study class 10th English First Flight chapter 11, The Proposal of Play, part 3rd. And my dear students, I just want to remind you that some paragraphs of part 3rd were left in our previous video, and in this video we are going to complete the rest of the paragraphs of part 3rd. The Proposal, you know that, is a play drama written by Anton Chekhov, a Russian dramatist and playwright. Now let's begin the text and try to understand the textual meaning of the text. With that, you should also try to understand the contextual meaning of the textbook. Lomo Natalia. Lomo tells Natalia 100 times worse be hanged to your squeezer, his head, eyes, shoulder. It means that Lomo condemns to the pet dog of Natalia, telling her that the physical structure and physical appearance of squeezer, means the head, eyes, shoulder, are inadequate. At this, Natalia says to him, "There's no need to hang your silly guess." When Lomo condemns to squeezer, she also condemns and tells that guess the pet dog of Lomo, no need to hang. Why? Because he is half dead already. Half dead means he has become old enough. Lomo weeps. "Shut up, my heart bursting." At this, Lomo tells her, "Shut up, my heart's bursting." His heart is going to burst now. Natalia immediately she tells him that she will not keep quiet at any rate. When Natalia and Lomo both were talking in very loud sound, hearing the loud noise, Natalia's father Chubuko enters. "Chubuko, what's the matter now?" Chubuko, Natalia's father, wants to know what is the matter now. Natalia, "Papa, tell us truly. Tell the truth. Which is the better dog? Our Skeezer or his guess? Just tell him which dog is better. Our Skeezer, our Skeezer means the pet dog of Natalia and Chobuko. Or his guess means or the pet dog of Lomo. Only you have to tell. You have to decide. Dear Papa, you have to decide which dog is better, Squeezer or Guess. Lomo. Stepan Stepanovich, I implore, I beg, I pray, I request you earnestly to tell me just one thing. Is your squeezer overshot, exceeded, superb, or not? And you have to tell only one thing, yes or no. Chubuko. And suppose he is, what does it matter? What does it mean? He is the best dog in all district for all that, and so on. Chubuko says to Lomo, tells Lomo that his dog is the best dog in district for all that. Lomo, but isn't my guess better? Really now? Lomo also wants to know whether his dog guesses better or not. At this, Chubuko says to him, Don't excite, don't excite yourself, my precious one, my dear one. Allow me. Your guest certainly has his good points, means having good qualities. He is purebred, of well bred, firm on his feet, has well sprung ribs, that means rebounded ribs, and all that. But my dear man, if you want to know the truth, really, if you want to know the truth of your dog, that dog has two defects. He is old and he is short in the muzzle. Chubuko tells the two defects, major defects of Guess, Lomo's pet dog. First one is he is old enough and he has short, short means inadequate muzzle. Muzzle jaws, JAW jaws or mouth. It means that the jaw and mouth of Guess is inadequate. And the first one is he is old enough. Lomo, excuse me, my heart. Let's take the fact. Let's know the fact. You will remember that on the Marusinsky hunt, my Guess ran neck and neck with the count's dog, while your squeezer was left a whole burst behind. Lomo says to Chubuko, excuse me, my heart, my dear one, let's take the facts. Let's know the fact about the dog. You will remember that on the Marusinsky hunt, my Guess ran when there was a competition on the Marusinsky for hunting. In that contest, in the contest of Marusinsky, his dog Guess ran neck and neck with the count's dog. Neck and neck, that is a phrase, it means very close in the progress in a contest. In the contest with the counts, you know that in Russia the count is to be known as the king. It means that the pet dog of Lomo was running very closely in the progress in the contest with Count's dog, while your squeezer was left a whole burst, that means length behind. Just Lomo wants to remind Chobuko that the speed of the running of his dog Whose dog? The dog of Chubuko was not good at all. And in that contest, in the contest of Marunsinsky, Skeezer was left behind. And guess was running very closely with the Count's dog, Chubuko. He got left behind because Count's Weeper, because Count's Weeper means huntsman in hit him with his whip. Chubuko was telling the reason why his dog Squeezer was left behind, because when there was contest his dog was running. At the meantime, Weeper, Count's Weeper means Count's huntsman was Count's huntsman was hitting Squeezer with his whip. Whip means, in Hindi that is called chabuk. Lomo. And with good reason. The dogs are running after a fox. When Squeezer goes and starts worrying a sheep, Lomo tells that, and with a good reason, the dogs are running after a fox. When Squeezer goes and starts worrying a sheep, he was giving a good reason. When the dogs were running behind a fox, the Squeezer, the pet dog of Chobuko and Natalia, goes and starts worrying a sheep. He thought that he was running after a sheep. Chubuko, it's not true, my dear fellow. It's not the real fact. I am very liable to lose my temper. Who tells it? Chubuko tells Lomo. It is not true, really, my dear fellow, my dear person. I am very liable. I am very liable means I am very liable. What? To lose my temper. And now he was angry. Who? Chobuko was angry. And that's why he warns Lomo that he's going to lose his temper. And so, just because of that, let's stop arguing. And he doesn't want any argument about his dog. You started because everybody is always jealous of everybody's else dog. You know that this is the real fact, that everybody is always jealous, having ill will of everybody's or everybody else dog. Yes, we are all like that. It means, that is the human nature. When somebody has good things, some people keep ill will with that person having good quality or having good things. Why he had why he has good things, and why he's having good qualities of things, good quality of pet. So some of the people are having such a quality, that means ill will feeling, having jealous quality. You too, sir, aren't blameless. You know, blameless means innocent, and you are like that. Chibuko tells Lomo, that you are blameless. Blameless means innocent. You know sooner. Begin with this, that, and the other, and all that. I remember everything. So it is not your fault, and just you are also innocent person, and don't do any argument regarding Squeezers his dog. Lomo, I remember too. Lomo tells that he also remembers Chobuko teasing him. I remember too. He also remembers. He also remembers. What do you remember? What do you remember? He also remembers. Lomo, my heart, my foot's gone to sleep. It means his foot is not working. His foot has become numb, cold. I can't. Natalia, teasing. My heart. What sort of a hunter are you? What sort of a hunter means person, and hunter are you? Just she was teasing to Lomo that you are not in the quality of good hunter. You don't have good quality of a hunter. You ought to go and lie on the kitchen oven. If you are not able to hunt, so why do you call yourself as a hunter? You should go lie on sit on the kitchen oven oven and catch black beetles. Catch the black beetles, insects. Not go after foxes. My heart, my dear, you are not having the good quality of a hunter. So you should go and lie on the kitchen oven and catch black beetles, black insects, and don't run after foxes, because you are not at all a good hunter. Chubuko, yes, really. What sort of a hunter are you? Anyway, just tell what type of hunter you are. You ought to sit at home with your palpitations. Every time when there was a talk, there was a fight, there was a discussion, your palpitations starts there, begins there. So what kinds of hunter you are? So you should not go to hunt, and you should sit at home with your palpitations means breathing problem, and not go tracking animals, and don't follow the animals to hunt them. You could go hunting, but you only go to argue with people. You could go hunting, you could go hunt for hunting, but at this time you could not go for hunting. Better to argue with people and interfere with their dogs, and just have a intervene with their dogs, and so on. Let's change the subject. In case I lose my temper, you are not a hunter at all anyway. If he will lose his temper, in means something good will not happen. That's why just he wants to change the subject matter. Lomo, are you a hunter? Lomo wants to know that Chobuko was a hunter. You only go hunting to get in with the count and to interview. That means intrigue means, you know, dishonest. Intrigue means dishonest or conspire. You will only do one things, just cooperate. Cooperate in the conspiracy of counts. You know count means the Russian king. Lomo. And you are a hunter, you only go hunting to get in with the count and to intrigue means to conspire. Oh my heart, you are an intriguer. Intriguer, that means you are a conspirator. Chubuko, what? What are you telling? I am an intriguer. Intriguer means conspirator. Just you want to tell me that I am intriguer. That means conspirator. He shouts. When Lomo tells him intriguer, intriguer, that means a conspirator, he starts shouting and tells him, shut up, keep quiet. Lomo, intriguer, that means conspirator. Chubuko, boy, pup, and he abuses him. Chubuko abuses him, addressing him, boy, pup. Pup means puppy, young one of dog. Lomo, old rat, Jesuit. You know what is the meaning of Jesuit? A crafty man. A crafty man. Chubuko, shut up, or I will shoot you like a patris. If you tell anything about me, I will shoot you like a patris. Patris means, you know, a bird which cannot fly, uh, like a bird, just like a hen or cock. So Chubuko warns him, if he will not keep quiet, definitely he will shoot him like a patris. You fool, and called him fool. Lomo, everybody knows that. Oh, my heart, your late wife used to beat you. Everybody, Lomo just wants to remind Chubuko that, oh, my dear person, your dead wife used to beat you. My feet, temples, sparks. I fall, I fall. It means his feet, his temples, what just not working. That's why he's going to fall. Chabuko, and you are under the sleeper of your housekeeper. You know that. Chubuko just wants to remind him that you are under the sleeper of your housekeeper. It means that your position is under your housekeeper. Lomo, there, my heart's burst. Don't tell anything, my heart burst. My shoulders come off. My shoulders come off. Where is my shoulder? I die, falls into an armchair. A doctor. It means he tells, Lomo tells Chubuko that his shoulders are going to come out from his body and he's going to die. He falls into an armchair and Lomo, tells Chubuko to ask for a doctor, to call a doctor. Chubuko, boy, milksop, fool, I am sick. Drinks water, sick. It means still Chubuko abuses him. Abuses Lomo. Natalia, what sort of a hunter are you? You cannot even sit on a horse. You call yourself a good hunter, but what kind of hunter you are, even if you cannot sit on a horseback? To her father, Papa, what's the matter with him? Look at what the matter is with him. Papa, look, Papa screams. She screams. Ivan Vasilevich, he's dead. He's dead. Chubuko, I am sick. I can't breathe air. Chubuko tells that he's sick and he cannot breathe air. Natalia, he's dead. He's near to die. It means his body has become what? Unconscious. He has become unconscious. He's near to he's near to die. That means he is on the verge of death. Natalia says to her father that Lomo is on the verge of death. Pulls Lomo's sleeves. Ivan Vasilevich, Ivan Vasilevich, what have you done to me? He's dead. What did you do with him? He's dead now. Falls into an armchair. A doctor, a doctor. She also calls for a doctor. She tells immediately call for a doctor. Hysterics, unconscious. Chobuko, oh, what is it? What what's the matter? Natalia wails. She started wailing. That means moaning. He's dead, dead. Chobuko, who's dead? Looks at Lomo. Chobuko looks at Lomo. So he is. My word. Water. A doctor. Call a doctor and give him a water to drink. Give him some water to drink. Lifts a tumbler. Lifts a tumbler means a glass to Lomo's mouth. Drink this and tells Lomo to drink the water. No, he he's, he doesn't drink. It means he's dead. Chibuko tells her daughter that he doesn't drink water. It means that he's dead and all that. I am the most unhappy of men. Why don't you? Why don't I put a bullet into my brain? Now he starts condemn himself. Why haven't I cut my throat yet? It means whatever he did with Lomo, he starts condemn himself because he thought that he was only the reason for his bad condition. Whose bad condition? The bad condition of Lomo. That's why he regrets very much and tells that why don't I put a bullet into my brain? It means shot a bullet to his brain. And why haven't I cut my throat? Why did he abuse him very badly? What am I waiting for? Give me a knife, give me a pistol. Lomo moves. He seems to be coming around. Drink some water. That's right. You know that Lomo, whenever there was much discussion about something, at that time Lomo pretended to be ill. Lomo, I see stars. Mist, where am I? Chubuko, hurry up and get married and well to the devil with you. She is willing. She is willing. She is willing to get married with him. He puts Lomo's hand into his daughter's hand and says willing and all that. I give you my blessing and so on. Only leave me in peace. Chubuko tells Lomo, getting up. Eh, what? To whom? to whom you are blessing, to whom you are going to give your blessings. Chobuko, she's willing to get married with you. Well, kiss and be diamond to you. Chobuko tells her daughter Natalia to kiss and be diamond to you. Natalia wails, she moans, he's alive. And Natalia says to her father that he is alive. Yes, yes, I am willing. And she also tells that he is willing to marry him. Chobuko kiss each other. Lomo, eh, kiss whom? They kiss. Very nice. They kiss each other and very nice too. Excuse me, what what's it all about? Oh, now I understand. My heart stars. I am happy. Natalia Stepnona kisses her hand. My foot's gone to sleep, become numb. Natalia, I am happy too. And she was happy to get married with him. Chobuko, what a weight off my shoulders off. Oh, that means oof. Chobuko, what a weight off my shoulders. Oof. What does it mean? It means that the burden of his shoulders is out. Natalia, but still you will admit now that guess is worse than Squeezer. But still, she wants to remind him that guess his dog is worse than Squeezer. It means, at any rate, she doesn't want to accept her dog Squeezer is not good at guess. It means that she wants him, that means Lomo, to tell her that her dog Squeezer is better than his dog. Yes, Squeezer, Lomo, better. At this time, to make her happy, Lomo says that Squeezer is better. Natalia, worse. Chobuko, well, that's a way to start your family. Bliss means blessing. Have some champagne. Champagne means have some drink. Lemon. Sorry, Lomo. He's better. It means he tells at this time that Squeezer is better. Natalia, worse, worse, worse. Three times she tells that worse, worse, worse. But, but Lomo wants to make her happy. That's why he tells her that Squeezer is better. Chobuko trying to shout her down. Champagne, champagne. Now the curtain falls and the play is over. My dear students, and this was all about this beautiful play, The Proposal, written by Anton Chekhov. So I hope that you will watch the video and try to understand the contextual meaning of the context. Thank you.